Welcome! I'm glad you dropped by. This is Safari Sam, and I'm going to show you how to write letters. Are you ready to learn how to write another letter? Animal letters help us write letters correctly. Now, if you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out our Learning to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free writing letter template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. You heard me right. You heard me right. A letter can start almost anywhere except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter B. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase b is? Yes, that's right. It's a giraffe letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use the most when we write. Remember, when we write each letter, we're doing it 2 times. The first time is with the dotted lines, and the second time is writing it without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, when I start the uppercase B, I have to start at the top. Not the bottom, but the top, because I never start letters at the bottom. I go straight down. I'm going to go straight down until I get all the way to the bottom. Stop! And then I go back to the top and I go around. And I'm going to go around and touch that line right in the middle. And then when I'm done, I do one more time at the bottom. And that's my uppercase B. Now with my lowercase b, would I start at the bottom? No. I'm going to start at the top. When I get here, I go straight down, all the way to the bottom line. When I get to the bottom, I stop. Then I go back right here to the middle line, and then I go around all the way back to the line. And there's my lowercase b. Now, let's practice that same letter, uppercase and lowercase, without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Here we go. Where do I start? That's right, I start at the top, not the bottom. At the top, I go down. I'm gonna go until I reach that bottom line, then I'm gonna stop. Stop! I go back to the top line, and I go around, back to the center line, and then I do it one more time on the bottom. And there's my uppercase B. Now, lowercase b, remember, I have to start at the top. And I go straight down till I get to that bottom line. Then I stop. And I go to the center line, and then I go around. And there's my lowercase b. We're done. Did you have fun practicing the letter B? I hope you did. Remember, you can download the template from our link tree. I hope you had just as much fun as I did doing the letter B. Come back next time when I do another letter. Bye.